show genuine interest in the opposite person. Genuine interest in the opposite person. Next, to create the best first impression, smile. Always with a smile. That thing must be required. Okay. So how much cost you require to pay to smile? How much you require to pay to smile?
Nothing.
Nothing, right? But why most of the people are always, they're very serious, very angry. Why? What they are going to get because of that seriousness? Nothing. Nothing. So smile. The total world will become very beautiful. The environment will become very beautiful. So in your day, multiple times, you require to smile, you require to laugh heartfully. Your lifetime is going to be encourages, man. So be always jovial. Don't be like Samar Reddy. Okay, have you observed my sessions? Most of the times, my sessions, offline sessions, if you remember, always full jovial, just like a comedy cinema, how it is going. In the same style, my session by default will be there. The people who attended my offline sessions, have you remembered? Even the recorded videos also, most of the times. The same. So jovial life we require to enjoy, man. That thing must be required. Okay? Smile, laugh. It's a excellent dopamine. Happy hormones are going to be released if you are going to smile. Are problems everywhere? The problems will be there, man. Why don't worry much about those problems? Okay, like that.